So we made it to our hotel. We're staying at the Rio Baja, California. So here's the room. We got a little private bathroom with the toilet stall. The floor by the mirror. Of course, the random bathtub in the middle of the room. The closets. Then the mini bar. You know, they liquor ain't never hitting on nothing. And then we got this little cute little doll thingy. I don't know. It's like romantic. They know we females. So I don't know what's going on here with all the kisses. Double sinks. And then we have the walk-in shower for everyone with the right shower head. Then we just got double beds. Look like ours is put together. It's fine. The little table with the little sitting area. It's cute in here. It's cute. I kind of underestimated it. I don't know. It's cute. That's my first Sasha. And we're gonna have to figure out how to open this and get out here because, baby, I don't ever know how to open these doors. I think right here, maybe. Do we push, pull down, maybe. Oh shoot, sorry to have my finger in the way. And then our view is just a little, not too much of nothing. I didn't upgrade our rooms. So, that's that. It's cute, y'all. So we got to get some food though, real. So we about to get dressed and probably head down to the pool. But you know, you gotta get the alcohol in you first because it is kind of chilly here with the ocean breeze. So, you know, with them always having a cheap liquor at the resorts, I had bought some 1942 duty free. So I don't get too toe up because that cheap liquor, it ain't good for you, y'all. It is not good for you. So I'm gonna probably see y'all at the pool, or I might let y'all see what I'm wearing down to the pool and then see y'all at the pool. All right, y'all, here's my outfit that I'm wearing. Down to the pool, just black. Can never go wrong with black. And I'm gonna see y'all at the pool. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's day 2 in Cabo. We don't have any like set plans today, but we're about to go to breakfast. The food at the resort has been absolutely trash. So we're gonna see what breakfast hitting on. I'm actually gonna take y'all along for breakfast, and then you're gonna see my reaction if their breakfast is good and or if their breakfast nasty like lunch and dinner has been. So you can know if you want to stay here because the food is just not giving. But here's the morning vibes today. It's a little cooler right now, but we should be warming up a little bit. So today we might do like the Cabo tour and then go to like the pink pool party and go to the club afterwards. But nothing is like set in stone. So I'm gonna just take y'all along the journey today. The lighting here is terrible. That's why we was outside, y'all. Because the lighting is just terrible. But I'll see y'all at the buffet downstairs. Okay, y'all, so breakfast looks like it's pretty good. It's gonna be decent, so at least we can have some decent breakfast and probably have to go to the street for everything else. But here's my place. Mimosa. let y'all know how it tastes when I get done. And y'all can see how much y'all did ate. But I said how good it is. So I'm gonna just dive into a few bites for y'all, but it's gonna be okay. I'm about to show y'all everybody's food real quick so we can see.
Can I get a mimosa too?
Verde, right?
And then me and Sasha ain't even changed clothes.
These tacos good.
You already heard it say the tacos is good. So let's see. Yeah, vlog. There's some more blankets in the closet. I just used what I had. That's all I had used, and I was fine.
Yeah, the blankets in the closet. I had like 3 covers on me. I was not out.
I got some good food, but I'm tired.
So that breakfast good, y'all.
We was asleep by 8 o'clock.
For sure.
First breakfast, y'all. Here's the finished plate. So I ate most of my food, but I'm kind of full. I'm gonna get probably a muffin and get some fruit, just because y'all know at lunchtime we hitting on so much food. So you gotta eat now and try to be full until dinner time. At least that's the goal. I'm gonna see y'all. Probably running around to work. I guess I'm alright, y'all. So we on the way to the clear boat. So I don't know how long it's gonna take us to get there or whatever. So there's my friend. She looking out the window, trying to see. There's the birthday girl. So we'll see what's going on. Probably nothing too much. So enjoy the little views on the way to the boat, and then I'll probably see y'all again when we get on the boat, and that'll be that. Just waiting to get on this boat, y'all. Look at my birthday girl. She's so pretty. She's so cute.
It's a video?
Yeah. It's a video for sure. And she's just smiling. She ain't realized that she on the damn internet. That's crazy.
I said.
Listen. It's okay, y'all. Because, baby, look at these flyaways. All you be needing is a little bit of liquor in you, and you'll be alright in Cabo. But not in freaking no liquor in Cabo. Like, you will be cold in the winter months, I should say. But alright, y'all. So I guess we'll see you on the dang boat. Okay.
I mean, you're not gonna train these girls only for 5 days. me la secla. That's this one, they like more. This fishing is more specific, like the finger fries.
Found us some authentic Mexican food, so we bought that whole thing and get Daniel okay. You put on a Thai punch sauce.
It's no la Azteca, no la familia. This is a real, the real thing.
So this is my pink outfit. We have to wear downstairs to the party. It's a little crochet dress, and then I got my pink swimsuit. I don't know where I got this dress from. I kind of don't remember, cause I was gonna wear it on a different trip, but then I didn't like it, and then I tried it on again, and I like it. So I wanted this trip, and I like to wear it to this pink party. So that's gonna be that, y'all. Good morning. It is day 3 in Cabo. Just got dressed, about to just go get some breakfast. And then today we're going to the hip hop boat, and we're going to on the strip to go to the club since we didn't make it out last night. Here's what I'm wearing to breakfast. It's actually just a swimsuit cover up, and then my little slides. The lighting is terrible up in here, but you know the vibes. So I'll probably see you guys down at breakfast, or maybe not, because I'm probably gonna get the same thing I ate yesterday, because like I said, their breakfast is actually good. So I might as well take advantage while we can. So I'll see you guys when I see you. Okay. Different than I had got yesterday for breakfast. I'm gonna show y'all the breakfast like for today. And then we're gonna end up drinking mimosas. So I just got an omelet again, some bacon, some chicken breakfast tacos, some pineapples, hash browns, and donuts. So it'll probably be good because most of the food I had yesterday and yesterday breakfast was good. So I'm about to eat. We're gonna send a little because it's only 8:30 and we don't need to leave the resort until 10:45, right?
She must have just hot.
That's what you ordered. It's the top of the morning, y'all. 9 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock somewhere for sure. Happy birthday. Oh my God.
Y'all took your shit, man.
We said, come on. Why should the birthday girl still ain't take no shot? I'm just scared about it.
Pearl, I need a straw.
2 straws.
You got some straws? Oh, wow.
We need a second shot real quick. We need a second shot.
Another?
Just one more. At least one more. I just need one more. We need to
Watch it what you mean.
Pre-game. Right. For the boat.
Can we drink on a boat?
Yeah, that's a drinker.
Okay. Hell yeah, they use you. I didn't know if we had to buy it or it's already paid for.
No, they got like free domestic liquor, but not the like Patron.
No, it was a it look fun.
Thank you. Can we get another shot of Patron?
See?
Thank you. Yes.
Let me get a straw.
I don't know about that.
What's wrong?
Tasha said she'll know about the second shot of Patron.
I gotta make it on the boat.
I'm finna go get a baby or something.
Yeah, you need some bread to absorb the
Oh,
liquor.
that shit nasty.
We about to get some baby.
It tastes like pina colada. I want pina colada.
It do taste like pina colada.
Milk again.
That one get off my drink.
Look at my
So listen,
pajamas.
right last night I tried that Canada Dry and it's
How did you off of my vloggy blog over there?
almost too
I
good.
don't want to be on the video.
I don't like that.
Now you gotta move the camera back that way.
She said she ain't got white. Y'all want to put respect.
I drink reposado.
Give me that Patron. Oh, now we can't see it.
It's fine. It's still light. Oh, it's still light. Okay.
Y'all want me to be on my ass.
You gotta move it.
Can you put it in a cup so I can take it back and I'll take the shot cups with it? And
Just to drink all the silver.
It's the night.
put 8 shots in there and they give me 8 cups and I'll take it over there. That's long.
Let me put that on my phone.
Oh, somebody's birthday.
I was about to say, I think somebody's birthday. They have to
I hope we
get.
never talked about my birthday.
We did
Tonight.
tell them. We told them that one day, but it's a shame now. She ain't want to do it.
Yeah, tomorrow.
I was outside.
With this outfit. I'm gonna come over here. Oh my God.
See that die.
Yeah.
If it's dying, they gonna get everybody like you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
It's my birthday.
I don't know.
You're fine. I'm sorry. I didn't say something. You're okay. Yeah, I want to look at you. I said, why you want to I said, one, I'm going to have to back up.
I'm done. Okay, we're gonna get ready. Yeah, I like that. I don't want no milk. I want no milk.
It's not milk.
Yeah, this lighting is so terrible. But we're back at the hotel room. I'm about to just do my makeup. Probably not gonna put on any eyeshadow, but makeup, no makeup. Well, not a makeup, no makeup, but full makeup, no eyeshadow. Before we go to the boat, I'm about to drink me a drink. I'm about to drink my 1942 with the sweet sour mix. And that's probably gonna be that. And then we're gonna head out. So I will see you guys when we head out. And I'm changed and got my makeup done, okay? All right, y'all, so I done did my makeup. We ready. I'm gonna show you the little outfit I'm wearing today. And we'll probably see y'all on the boat. So here's the outfit. So olive green swimsuit. Y'all know the lighting is terrible in this room. But we about to have to call our friends and let them know that we need to go downstairs. The lighting gets better when you go towards the window. So so y'all can see. Of course, you always got that music playing. But let me see. Yes, y'all, I've been outside. The likeness is beautiful. So let me re-show y'all this outfit real quick, or at least attempt to. I don't know if I'm gonna be successful or not. So I got y'all on this rack. Not really successful, but it's the outfit for me. It's the vibes, it's the makeup. So I'm in Mexico, baby. Let's go. Let's go. The girls out. Don't got that many girls, but they out. Okay. Go put on the shades. Try to put on the shades. Turn the camera and try to put on the shades. So I'm gonna work. I'm gonna take one more shot and finish my drink. And then I'm gonna head downstairs to catch this Uber. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all on the boat. Y'all can see me take this shot. So, 1942. I'll take this shot.
You know what? I might as well. Where's my price tag?
It's not that far from the room.
Oh, yeah, it's
It's really not that far. I'll take this shot before we go on this boat. Yeah, I can't even hold this camera up straight. I don't know what's going on right now. But that's it. So y'all gonna see me take this shot. Y'all gonna chase it with this drink. Which is 1942 in it, because I just had her put sweet and sour in there, and I put a little bit of 7-Up. See, 7-Up. And that was it. So, shot. I think my friend locked herself out the room. Be right back. I figured it was you. Stop. Oh, you already got the ice. Just to do a little bit. But I'm gonna text my friends to see if they ready or not. That's why you have to give people CB time. I told them 10:40. No, we don't gotta be down there till 11 for real, but
They still ain't ready. Should I bring a purse?
I'm gonna bring mine, so you don't need to unless you want some. Stop. Go. Drink your drink. But I'm gonna roast you out about this time. Or maybe in a car or something. Because I'm done drinking. Go ahead. Stay with it. We ain't booked this damn Uber back to our hotel. Now we up here taking a stroll. Everywhere we go, we exercising. Who wants to exercise on vacation? It's about 80 degrees today. And then this sun is out. I need some Tylenol. I need some tacos, some water, and a bed until like at least 5, 6 o'clock. But we almost back to the damn hotel, so I don't know. They turned up, listen to their music. Alright y'all, so it's day 4 in Cabo. It's actually like our last full day here. We're about to just go to breakfast, probably get in the swimming pool. That's why my swimsuit is on. And then when we get back to the room, we're gonna get ready to go camel riding on the beach and have like lunch and tequila tasting. I don't know how much of that I'm gonna be able to record, because I heard like the camel people would be strict about having phones and cameras and stuff. So we'll see. But I'm gonna do an outfit check real quick and I'm about to go down for breakfast in a minute. So here's the outfit for today. Don't ask me why I just put my camera like that. But it's just a red swimsuit, bikini. So yeah. Cute little top, cute little skirt. I should say for the day, but for the morning time, it's just a little outfit. Cause I'm gonna change to go do the camera swim. I shall see y'all when I see y'all. So we're just at the pool, get some pool vibes with the views. Got the little drinky drink and go chill up in here for a little bit till we're ready to go back and take a shower. But y'all, this water is freezing cold. Like, I'm trying to get used to it, but it's cold for sure. But here's the little view. No, thank you.
I got a bracelet.
Okay, y'all, so back and I'm better. We just got back to the room, I got changed, and we're about to go camel riding. Here's the outfit. To like really vlog, because with some of the camel rides here in Mexico, like they take your phones and stuff, so you don't take pictures. So maybe we'll see the camel riding, maybe we won't. We'll see. But yeah, hopefully this vlog been a little decent. With me not used to vlogging at all, so. We made it, y'all. Ready to go camelback riding, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, you some vlog. It's so quiet up here.
It is
It's
quiet.
weird. You know, we just been together. That's what I used to know peeps. But like I said, we're gonna see if we can record, because I don't know what they be doing on this excursion.
We continue walking and we have many north trails. Rattlesnakes, chipmunks, roadrunners, we may see them around here, okay? So watch out, keep your eye open.
Hoping we don't see no damn snakes walking through these deserts. Look at them on their phones. They see a snake, ain't good. Nothing they could be able to do about it. Okay, so we finished the camel ride and everything, and a little tour through the cactuses. So now they give us some food to eat for dinner, I guess, and then tequila tasting eventually. So So I'm gonna show y'all this food. I don't know if it's gonna be good, it's gonna be nasty or what. But here's the food.
That ice cream is so bad.
The last 2 years,
So I'm gonna eat, and then I may or may not record again. So that's gonna be that.